Don't worry, unraveling its meaning and usage in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase you've likely heard often in English conversations. Don't worry. It's a common phrase that packs a punch in terms of reassurance and comfort. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your day-to-day English interactions. So, let's get started. Don't worry is a phrase used to tell someone not to be anxious or concerned about a particular situation or issue. It's used in various contexts, from small daily interactions to more serious life events. When someone tells you not to worry, they are essentially saying that they believe the situation is under control or that concern is unnecessary. In casual settings, don't worry can be used to dismiss minor concerns. For instance, if someone is late to meet you and they apologize, saying, "Don't worry," indicates that you're not upset about the wait. In reassuring someone, it can also be a way of reassuring someone. If a friend is nervous about an upcoming exam, you might say, "Don't worry, you've studied hard, and you'll do great." In comforting, don't worry is often used to comfort someone who is going through a tough time. When someone is dealing with hardship, telling them not to worry is a way to offer support and hope. When someone tells you, "Don't worry," they are trying to ease your mind. There are several ways to respond, depending on the situation. Express gratitude. "Thank you for reassuring me." Acknowledge the advice. "I'll try not to." Share your thoughts. "I'm just concerned that." While this phrase is unique to English, every language has its own version of "don't worry." Understanding the sentiment behind it can help you relate to the emotions and intentions of speakers from different cultures when they use their equivalent phrases. I hope this exploration of "don't worry" helps you feel more confident in using the phrase and understanding when it's said to you. Remember, it's a phrase full of empathy and concern, often used to soothe and reassure. So next time someone tells you, "Don't worry," take it as a sign of care and friendship. Thanks for watching, and don't worry, you're becoming more fluent in English every day.